Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps access to share my location on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down, and in here tap on screen time. Next, we go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then in here, we go down and tap on share my location. In here, put in the screen time passcode. And then you can choose either allow or don't allow. Select one of the options. And that's it. So that is how you can allow or don't allow apps access share my location on the iPhone 14 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.